Hey everybody, welcome to my English podcast. You can use this video to train your listening and comprehension as I speak. Whether you're practicing during the day, listening before you sleep, while you clean, or even while you get ready, listen whenever it works for you. You ready? Let's get started. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Sophia. I am from Spain. Spain is a beautiful country in Europe. Today, I want to ask you a question. What is your name? Let me tell you more about my name. My name is Sophia. That's spelled S-O-F-E-A. It is not a difficult name, right? It is easy to say and easy to remember. I think Sophia is a beautiful name. I love my name because it is very special to me. For me, the name Sophia means wisdom. Wisdom means being smart and making good decisions. I feel happy when people say my name. Sophia is also a very common name in Spain. Many girls have the same name. Sometimes my friends call me Sophie for short. Sophie is a nickname. I like my nickname too because it sounds friendly and sweet. Now I want to know more about you. Tell me, what is your name? Can you spell it for me? I would love to learn your name. Where are you from? My name is Rohan, and I live in the United States. Today I have a question for you. Where are you from? Let me tell you more about myself. I live in the United States now. The United States is a big country in North America, and many people from different countries live in the United States. It is a very beautiful place with many cities, mountains, and rivers. But I am originally from India. India is in South Asia. It is a large country with many different languages, cultures, and foods. India is very far from the United States. It takes many hours on an airplane to travel between India and the United States. In India, I grew up speaking Hindi. Hindi is one of the main languages of India. In my hometown, the weather is hot in the summer and cooler in the winter. India has long coastlines, so many people who live near the ocean eat a lot of fish. We also eat a lot of vegetables and delicious spices. Indian food is very famous because it is full of flavor. Sometimes I really miss India. I miss my family, my friends, and the food. Living in the United States is wonderful, but India will always be my first home. Now I want to hear from you. Where are you from? Can you tell me a little about your country? I would love to learn about it. What is your nationality? Hello, my name is Adriana. I am from Brazil. Today, I have a question for you. What is your nationality? Let me tell you about mine. I am Brazilian. That means my nationality is Brazilian. Brazil is a very big country. It is in South America. In Brazil, people speak Portuguese. Portuguese is our main language. But many people also study English, especially in school or at work. Brazil is a very famous country. Many people know Brazil because of its beautiful beaches, the big carnival celebrations, and samba music. Carnival is a huge festival with colorful costumes, dancing, and parades. Samba is a traditional dance and music style from Brazil. People often ask me, "Can you dance samba?" I usually smile and say, "Yes, a little." I am very proud to be Brazilian. I love my country and I enjoy sharing stories about Brazil with people from other parts of the world. Now, it's your turn. What is your nationality? I would love to learn more about you and your country. Who are your friends? Hello, my name is Desiree. I am from a country called South Africa. South Africa is a beautiful country at the bottom of the African continent. Today, my question for you is, who are your friends? Let me tell you about my friends. I have 3 very good friends. Their names are Candace, Lisa, and Mandy. Candace has long brown hair. She is very short and very friendly. Mandy has blonde hair. She is a very funny person. She always makes me laugh a lot. Whenever I feel sad, Mandy tells a joke or a funny story, and I feel better. Lisa is another one of my friends. She lives very far away, in a country called Wales. Wales is part of the United Kingdom in Europe. Because she lives far away, I cannot see Lisa in person. We only talk by sending messages on our phones. I really miss her and hope to visit her one day. I love all my friends very much. They are kind, funny, and important to me. Friends make life better and more fun. Now, I want to hear from you. Who are your friends? What are they like? I would love to know. Talk about a family member. My name is Neri, and I am from Belize. Belize is a small and beautiful country in Central America. Today, my question for you is, can you describe a family member? Let me tell you about someone very special to me. I want to describe my little sister. My little sister is shorter than me. That means she is not as tall as I am. She is also a little fatter than me, but she looks very cute. My little sister lives far away from me. She does not live in the same city or the same town. Because of the distance, I do not see her very often, and I miss her a lot. She has a beautiful smile. When she smiles, she makes everyone feel happy. One thing she loves to do is dance. She dances all the time, at home, at parties, and even when she is just having fun. My little sister has blonde hair. Her hair is light and shiny. She is not just my sister, she is also my best friend. I can talk to her about anything, and she always makes me feel better. Now it's your turn. Can you describe a family member? I would love to hear about someone special in your life. Is your house cold in winter? My name is Julie, and I am from America. Today, my question for you is your house cold in winter? Let me tell you about my house. Yes, my house is very cold in winter. Even though I have a heater, my house still feels cold. My heater is warm, and it helps a lot. I also wear warm clothes to stay comfortable. My jacket is warm. My sweater is warm. My hood is warm too. All these things help me stay warm, but my house itself still feels cold during the winter. Outside, it is even colder. In winter, the weather is very cold, and sometimes it even snows. I have to wear heavy clothes when I go outside, but in summer, everything is different. In summer, my house is not cold at all. In fact, it is very hot in summer. Sometimes it gets so hot that I need a fan or air conditioning to stay cool. Now I want to know about you. Is your house cold in winter? How do you stay warm? What is in your house? My name is Sarah. Today, I will tell you 10 things about myself, and I will talk about what is in my house. Okay, let's start. I have a washing machine. It helps me wash my clothes. I also have a fridge. The fridge keeps my food cold and fresh. I have a small stove. I use the stove to cook my meals. But I want a bigger stove because I like to cook many things at the same time. I don't have an electric toaster. A toaster would be nice for making toast in the morning. I do have a vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner helps me clean the floor and keep my house tidy. I have a TV. I love watching movies and shows on the TV. I also have an air conditioner. The air conditioner keeps my house cool when it is hot outside. I have a microwave too. The microwave is great for heating food quickly. And finally, I want another TV for another room in my house. So now it's your turn. Can you say 10 things about what is in your house? Where do you go in the morning? Hello, my name is Neri, and I am from Belize. Belize is a small and beautiful country in Central America. Today, my question for you is, where do you go in the morning? Let me tell you about my mornings. In the morning, I go to the gym. I like to exercise to start my day with energy. At the gym, I do different activities. I walk on the treadmill. The treadmill is a machine that helps me walk or run inside the gym. I also lift some weights to make my muscles stronger. When I exercise, I get sweaty because my body is working hard. But I feel good and healthy after exercising. I like going to the gym because it is very close to my house. I walk to the gym. It doesn't take long, just a few minutes. Walking to the gym is also a good warm-up before I start exercising. I enjoy going to the gym in the morning because it gives me energy for the rest of the day. Now, I want to know about you. Where do you go in the morning? Do you go to school, work, or maybe somewhere else? Where are your friends from? Hello, my name is Julie, and I am from America. Today, my question for you is, where are your friends from? Let me tell you about my friends. Some of my friends are from America, just like me. They live in the same country as I do. Some of my friends are from Argentina. Argentina is a large country in South America. It is famous for its music, dance, like tango, and delicious food. I also have friends from Venezuela. Venezuela is another country in South America. It has beautiful beaches and mountains. Some of my friends are from Spain, too. Spain is a country in Europe. In Spain, people speak Spanish, just like in many countries in South America. However, I don't have any friends from France yet. Maybe one day I will meet someone from France. Now it's your turn. Where are your friends from? I would love to hear about it.